dreamed of making money online? ClickBank is your ticket. Whether you're a seasoned marketer or just starting out, ClickBank offers a unique opportunity to tap into the world of digital sales. No need for fancy websites or expensive products. You don't need to be a tech wizard or have a huge budget to get started, just your hustle and the right knowledge. Equip yourself with the basics of digital marketing, and you're good to go. Imagine earning passive income while you sleep. Yes, it's possible to make money even when you're not actively working. That's the power of ClickBank, a platform designed to help you succeed. It's a platform connecting you to thousands of digital products to promote. From ebooks to software, the variety is endless. You earn a commission for every sale you drive. The more you sell, the more you earn. Best part? Zero investment needed to get started. You can begin your journey without any upfront costs. This isn't about getting rich quick. It's about planting the seeds for long-term success. It's about building a sustainable online business. One brick at a time, you'll create a solid foundation. It takes dedication, consistency, and a whole lot of hustle. Success doesn't come overnight, but with effort, it's achievable. But with ClickBank, the potential is limitless. The horizon is bright, and the opportunities are endless. Ready to unlock your online earning potential? Let's dive in. The journey to financial freedom starts now. ClickBank is all about affiliate marketing. What's that? Simple. You promote other people's products and earn a commission on each sale. No need to create your own products or handle customer service. ClickBank takes care of all the heavy lifting. You just focus on driving traffic and making those sales. It's like being a digital salesperson, but without the cold calls. You choose products you believe in and share them with your audience. The more value you provide, the more sales you make. It's a win-win for everyone involved. Signing up for ClickBank is a breeze. Head over to their website and create a free account. You'll need to provide some basic information, but it's nothing too complicated. Once you're in, you'll have access to a massive marketplace of digital products. From ebooks and courses to software and memberships, there's something for everyone. Don't get overwhelmed by the choices. Take your time, browse the marketplace, and find products that resonate with you. Remember, you'll be more successful promoting products you're passionate about. Section 4. Finding your niche. Choosing the right products. This is a crucial step in your journey to success. Not all products are created equal. Some may seem appealing but lack the potential to generate significant income. You need to find products that are in high demand and offer good commissions. This means doing thorough research and comparing different options. Look for products with a proven track record of sales and positive customer reviews. These indicators can help you gauge the product's reliability and popularity. Don't be afraid to experiment and test different products to see what works best for you. Sometimes, trial and error is the best way to find the perfect fit. Think about your target audience. Who are they and what are they looking for? What are their needs and pain points? Understanding these aspects can help you tailor your product selection. What kind of products would they be interested in? This insight can guide you in choosing products that resonate with them. By understanding your audience, you can choose products that are more likely to convert into sales. This strategic approach can significantly boost your success rate. Section 5. Spreading the word. Promoting your affiliate links. Once you've chosen your products, it's time to start promoting. ClickBank provides you with unique affiliate links for each product. These links track your sales and ensure you get credited for every purchase. There are countless ways to promote your links. Social media is your friend. Share your links on your profiles, in groups, and in relevant forums. Start a blog or website and write reviews of the products you're promoting. Get creative with your marketing and don't be afraid to experiment. Section 6. Turning clicks into cash. Strategies for success. In this section, we will explore the essential strategies that can help you transform your online presence into a profitable venture. Driving traffic to your affiliate links is key. Without traffic, your links are just floating in the vast ocean of the internet, unseen and unclicked. But it's not just about quantity, it's about quality. High-quality traffic sources, such as targeted ads or effective SEO strategies, can make a significant difference. You need targeted traffic that's genuinely interested in the products you're promoting. This means understanding your audience and what they are looking for. That's where engaging content comes in. Content that resonates with your audience can drive more meaningful interactions. Create valuable content that educates and informs your audience. Tutorials, how-to guides, and informative videos can position you as an authority in your niche. Write blog posts, create videos, and share your experiences with the products. Detailed product reviews and personal testimonials can build trust and credibility. The more value you provide, the more likely people are to trust your recommendations and click on your links. Clear call to actions can guide your audience towards making a purchase. Remember, success in affiliate marketing takes time and effort. It's a marathon, not a sprint, and requires consistent effort and patience. But with the right approach and a whole lot of hustle, you can turn ClickBank into a lucrative income stream. Celebrate your milestones and keep pushing forward.